Hey everyone, I'm Rithik from UPDF. In this video, we're tackling a common problem with paper receipts that get lost and fade. That's painful when you need records for expenses, taxes, or reimbursement. Today, we'll use UPDF on desktop, UPDF on mobile, NomoStar, and UPDF AI online to fix that with Receipt OCR. It turns scanned receipts into searchable PDFs and helps you extract key details. NomoStar is an AI scanner and translator for fast mobile capture and OCR. And UPDF AI Online is a quick browser option for when you don't want to install anything. So click the links in the description and follow me step by step as we scan and OCR receipts in 4 different ways. UPDF Desktop offers a reliable way to scan and OCR stacks of paper receipts on your computer. It helps anyone who already has a scanner and needs to process physical receipts in batches. You can quickly build searchable archives for expense reports, reimbursements, tax documents, and long-term record keeping. So follow the steps with me to see how you can do that with your PDF. First of all, search for UPDF on Chrome or any other browser. Upon seeing the search results, click the Download UPDF site link to open the main download page. On the following page, press the Free Download option under the Mac or Windows section. It will download the latest UPDF version that doesn't require any updates until the next version is released. Once downloaded, open UPDF and click the Tools option. Next, you need to access the Scanner feature. Afterward, put the paper receipt into the scanner and select the mode. After that's done, you need to select the scan kind from the color document or grayscale. Next, select a suitable orientation for your PDF. Once done, choose an appropriate paper size for your PDF. You can also create your own PDF page size by clicking the Custom option. Now, select the Combine into a single document option if scanning multiple receipts into one PDF. Once the PDF is created, UPDF will automatically open the PDF. Then, UPDF will highlight a pop-up to enable OCR. Press the Enable OCR option and select the OCR mode. Choose the correct languages and press the Convert button to begin the OCR process. After the OCR is completed, you can easily search, select, and copy the receipt text directly from the PDF. Next, we will see how you can perform Receipt OCR with UPDF Mobile. UPDF Mobile helps when you only need clean receipt data without installing any desktop software first. This works best for quick one-off tasks, reimbursement slips, and simple expense summaries on the go. For now, see the steps I take to learn how you can do that with your PDF. First off, access the App Store or the Play Store on your mobile phone and search for UPDF in the search bar. Next, tap on the Get or Install option to download and install UPDF on your phone. After that, open the app and tap on the plus icon. Afterward, use the Scan option to access the camera screen. Upon accessing the camera screen, tap on the Document option and press the 3 dots icon to enable the auto capturing and auto cropping modes. You can also turn on the flashlight based on the lighting conditions. If you need to capture multiple receipts, tap the next icon to take more. After the receipt is recognized, UPDF will automatically capture it. Next, use the Crop or Rotate option as needed. Now, if the receipt image is finalized, press the Save option to save it. After conversion, press the OCR option from the tools below. Next, choose the Editable PDF mode. Select the correct language, and tap on the Done option. Select and copy some text from the PDF to see if it is searchable. After that, we will move on to a dedicated app for this purpose. When you need a dedicated AI PDF scanner and translator, NomoStar, a UPDF companion tool, is ideal. With NomoStar, you can scan receipts on your phone and let AI clean edges and shadows automatically. It also supports OCR text extraction and translation, which helps with foreign language receipts and travel paperwork. This works well when receipts are shot in tricky lighting and still need to look sharp and readable. NomoStar is available for both Android and iOS users, so your phone becomes a smart scanner anywhere. So follow the steps with me to see how you can do that. First, download and install the NomoStar app from the Play Store or App Store onto your mobile device. Once you open the app, tap on the camera icon in the bottom right corner. On the camera screen, choose the OCR Documents mode. Press the 3 dots option and enable the Auto Scan feature. It will automatically capture the receipt when the receipt is aligned. After that, you need to extract text. To do that, press the Recognize Text option and the app will automatically extract the text via OCR. To translate the extracted text, choose the Translate option and select the language you want to translate to. Once everything is done, press the export option to share the text file through email or save the file. You can also directly copy the text to the clipboard. If you don't want to install a software or an app, UPDF AI Online runs in your browser. It lets you upload receipt images or PDFs and reads them with AI. You can extract merchant name, date, items, prices, tax, and total in seconds. Carefully see the steps I performed to understand how you can pull that data out. First, you need to visit ai.updf.com and access Chatbot from the left side panel. Next, click the image icon to upload the receipt image and enter a prompt like, "Extract the text from this image." This way, UPDF AI Online will extract all the text from the image. You can also copy the text to use it for other purposes. So now we've seen how each method works with real receipts in different situations. You might be wondering which one actually makes the most sense for your own workflow. For people with a scanner and a big pile of paper receipts, UPDF Desktop is the easiest. However, UPDF Mobile is better when you rely on your phone and you scan receipts right after paying. And NomoStar shines if your receipts are messy or they're in another language and they need cleanup. And when you just want fast receipt details in your browser, UPDF AI Online is the easiest pick. That wraps up our walkthrough of 4 different ways to scan and OCR your receipts, with UPDF, NomoStar, and UPDF AI Online. With these tools, you can turn paper receipts into searchable records, and you can extract key details to fit right into your tax workflows. To get started, download UPDF to scan, OCR, convert, edit, and merge all your receipts in one place. You can also try NomoStar for AI-powered mobile scanning and translation, and you can use UPDF AI Online for when you just need to extract key details. And you can use UPDF AI Online in your browser for when you just need fast receipt data extraction. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment with your questions. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss future UPDF tutorials.